The Home Affairs Minister has raised the stakes in the battle over asylum seekers. He claims refugees using healthcare resources could delay treatment for sick Australians.
Making light on Manus.
You stuck the boat.
Poor asylum seekers crack jokes about their near 6 years detention.
We learned some Australian culture. This coffee is
Their YouTube video addresses the politician who's done most to keep them there. In Sydney, in fact, praising his government for finally moving the last 4 children out of offshore detention.
They have been transferred to the United States, and that means there are no longer any children on Nauru.
And I'm very proud of the fact that we've been able to achieve that.
This as the Minister strikes a new note of fear. He says the laws to improve treatment for sick asylum seekers
They are going to go into the health network. Let's be very frank about it.
risk hundreds from Nauru and Manus crowding out hospitals.
I don't want to see Australians who are in waiting lines at public hospitals kicked off those waiting lines because people off Nauru and Manus are now going to access those health services.
Worse, he says, Australians could lose their houses.
I don't want to see Australians who are on waiting lists for housing or already occupying housing being kicked out of that housing because of people arriving off Manus and Nauru. It's not fair.
There seems to be no end to the cruelty that this government is prepared to inflict.
Tim Lester, 7 News.